Hey, welcome to Wednesday Wisdom. This is Victor Kumar. Are you part of the 40% wave? You see, in 2025, 4 out of 10 purchasers were investors. And with buyers agencies on the rise, it's set to increase. And the reality is that seasoned investors are now no longer waiting for the rate drop. They're no longer waiting for the market to become predictable. They're no longer waiting for the right time to invest. They're jumping in as soon as they can. The reasoning behind that is that the waiting room is full. What I mean by that, the people that are waiting for the right time to get social proof of market conditions improving, for getting the finance cost lower, they're waiting for that magic to happen. And so within very short time, we will have a very strong number of investors entering the market. And so from that volatility that we've seen in the last 2 years to now getting into the predictability of the market. So what I mean by that is that there will now be more predictability of growth. There won't be that topsy-turvy upheaval that we've seen as people lurch from, okay, are we getting a rate cut? Are we getting a rate increase? Or is inflation increasing, decreasing? The data is all over the place. And the reality is that if we just follow the data, we will actually miss out on the growth that is sure to happen in the boring phase of this market. And so this is where there is going to be a little bit of rate certainty. And what I mean by that is that the rate is likely to stay stable. And there is now going to be a price plateau as affordability starts dropping off. So, the exuberance in the market, what I call the giggle money, will go out. And you will have an inventory arbitrage as well, which is where the new constructions and the new properties coming in the market is not going to cater for the demand that is there in the market in how many properties we need. So if you're really looking at waiting for the market conditions to become better, I would suggest that you will really regret this come years to come, because you're trying to time the market. The reality is that the price of today is no longer the ceiling price. It is actually the floor price. So the sooner you get into the market, the sooner you prepare yourself to be ready to take action, the better off you will be. This is your Wednesday Wisdom, and I'll see you again next week.